Hello and welcome to Assorted Stumper Problems. This is challenge 6.1.1, problem B, my friends. Without further ado, let us get on to our scenario. Daisy, the ditzy giraffe, has gotten herself stuck again. She is trapped within the rectangle below, right down here. And here's Daisy. She is very pretty, but a little bit ditzy. That's correct, my friends. Hey, the rectangle is 12.5 feet long, and it's a shorter one, so this is going to be this length here, and 15.75 feet wide. And that's the distance from here to here, right? And your challenge is to figure out what is the area of Daisy, I'm sorry, I said it wrong, didn't I? Daisy, the ditzy giraffe's trap. So let's go ahead and plug in the numbers. The 12.5 we'll put here, and the 15.75 we'll put across here. And bam, there we have it. 12.5 for this length right here. And from here to here is going to be 15.75. So next we got to just look at what the area is. And here we go. The formula for area is A, or area, equals base times height. Or you could do length times width, right? Either one is fine. And anytime you have two variables next to one another without any symbol, that means multiply, right? So we took our base, which is 15.75, and plugged it in down here, multiplied by the height, which is 12.5, and we got that right there. And here we go. As you see, I wrote it in the long multiplication fashion so I can solve this. I've got 5 times 5, which is going to give me 25. I'm going to drop the 5, carry the 2 right up there. 5 times 7 is 35, plus 2 is 37. Drop the 7 and circle that 2 and carry a 3 right there. And then I've got 5 times 5, which is 25, plus this 3 is going to give me 28. So I'll drop the 8 right there, carry the 2. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 2 is going to give you a 7. Drop the 7. And then you're going to drop a 0 and put an X in it because this 2 is a 1 column 2, not a tenths, right? So then we're going to go 2 times 5, which is going to give me 10. Drop that 0, carry that 1. 2 times 7 is 14, plus 1 is going to give you 15. Drop the 5, carry the 1. 2 times 5 is 10, plus 1 is 11. Drop the 1 and carry the 1. And then 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is going to give you a 3. Bam. Next, you're going to drop a 0, put an X in it. Drop a second 0, put an X in that, because now we're over here at this 1. So it's not a tenth, it's not a ones column, it's actually a 10, right? So then we're going to just multiply away, right? 1 times 5 is going to give us 5. 1 times 7 is 7. 1 times 5 is going to give you 5 again. And then 1 times 1 is 1. And that's pretty simple. So now all I have to do is add these bad boys up. And here we go, 5 and Naughton is going to give you 5 right down there. So let's drop that 5. Then we got 7 and 0 is going to give you 7. Superb. And right here we got 5 plus 5 is 10, plus 8 is going to give you 18. So drop that 8, carry that 1 right there. And then you've got 1 plus 7 is going to give you 8, and 1 plus 7 is going to give you 8. And 8 and 8 is going to give you 16. Drop the 6, carry the 1, and bam. Next we've got 1 plus 3 is going to give you 4, plus 5 is going to give you 9. So drop that 9, and 1 and nothing is going to give you 1. But now I got to count my loopy-doops. I got 1 loopy-doop, 2 loopy-doop, and 3 loopy-doops, right? So I'm going to go 1 loopy-doop, 2 loopy-doop, 3 loopy-doop. My decimal goes right there, and bam, that's where my decimal goes. And now this is my answer. And therefore your answer is the area of Daisy's trap is 196.875 feet squared. Bam, there you have it. Hey, as always, if you made a mistake anywhere along the way, no worries at all, my friend. Pause that video, fix that mistake. That is your fastest way to learn. Until next time, I hope you have a fantastic day. I'll see you soon.